At 9:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near BASTROP, moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Morehouse by 9:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, GALION by 9:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Winds of 60 miles per hour can bring down trees, possibly resulting in injury and property damage. Roofs of mobile homes and outbuildings can be damaged, and minor roof damage to well-built homes and structures can occur. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a small interior room. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday morning for southeast Arkansas and northeast Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Morehouse Parish, Louisiana.